crush. Uber transformed the transportation industry. Amazon transformed the retail industry. And now, Total Life Changes will transform the direct sales industry. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to crush? Introducing Slim Paste, an all-natural toothpaste that curbs appetite and sugar cravings simply by brushing your teeth regularly. This revolutionary and powerful formula is a brand new category creator in the industry. 9 all-natural ingredients make up this instant impact proprietary formula designed to provide improved oral health and weight loss. Expect a big boost in metabolism while significantly decreasing your appetite levels. The first of its kind in this industry delivers a gentle cleansing with a total of 9 naturally occurring minerals, herbs, and oils to rid the body of harmful toxins while reducing inflammation and supporting digestion by balancing gut bacteria. Slim Paste is a revolutionary product in the direct sales market, allowing you to implement the product into your daily life, enhancing what you already do to stay healthy. Whether it's Atkins, Keto, Weight Watchers, the power of Slim Paste is that it's not in competition with other programs. It's simply a product that adds more value to these and all others. A product that you're already using in your everyday life. A product that will change the way you live. So get ready to crush with Slim Paste, only at Total Life Changes.